The digital crown on your Apple Watch is stuck and won't open the home screen or app view. Here's how to fix it. Press and hold both the digital crown and the side button until the screen turns black and the Apple logo appears. Release both buttons and wait for your Apple Watch to restart. Once the lock screen appears, enter your passcode. Now, press the digital crown again to check whether it opens the home screen and lets you access all your apps. If the problem is caused by a software glitch and the digital crown still isn't working, unpair your Apple Watch from your iPhone and then pair it again. Don't worry, you won't lose your data. Before unpairing, your iPhone automatically creates a full backup of your Apple Watch, which you can restore during the setup process. That's it. If you have any questions, leave a comment below and subscribe for more video updates.